A very good morning. We are Jeroen and Lisa.
And that over there is Portugal.
Please stop. You might have guessed, but we're leaving Spain for Portugal. I have to be honest, I don't really know much about the people, the culture and the language. And I better not tell the people here why I called my dog Leo. But as you guys know from me by now, I love knowing as little as possible before I dive into a new situation. I'm ready to be surprised. The changes in the environment here are a welcome change. Spain is quite dry because of a lack of rain, but the more we drove to the west, the greener it became. This also of course comes hand in hand with a bit more dubious weather, but I'll happily trade those two off. Whilst driving over the bridge that connects these two countries, we came across this sign. We did not really know what to do as we are foreigners, but there was also a visa emblem on it, so it was a bit unclear if this was meant for us. After this we got signed to stop by the police.
Ja, ze doen gewoon een soort check-ups. Hallo.
Use internet for organized to travel.
I'm sorry, I don't understand the question.
So
let me explain. This lady here was taking a satisfaction survey regarding Spain. She did not make this very clear at the start and just started asking random questions, like how much we paid for diesel in Spain. After she asked us what rating we would give to Spain, it became clear.
Very good.
Oh, rating.
The
I thought
rating.
writing.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
De from 0 a to 10.
I love Spain. I would give it 4.5
Thank
stars,
you.
5 stars.
Thank you.
No, Spain is amazing.
Pues nothing more.
I hope
Thank
Portugal is going to be the same.
Thank you very much.
No
Good
problem.
travel.
Thank
Okay?
you.
You can go, no problem.
After
No
this,
stop.
we could continue
No
our way.
Wat op.
So after the second time visiting Spain, which was an experience filled with adventures, new friends and a wave of ambition, we are ready to open a new chapter in the Book of Youth, the chapter of Portugal. First of all, we wanted to have a calm night and experience the nature of Portugal with a view, so we found this amazing spot. As the sky is turning grey next week, we decided we should make the best of these couple of days of sunshine. As amazing as the weather might seem now, the green environment also means that there can be loads of rain in this area, which becomes awfully clear later in this couple of days. But for now, sit back, relax and enjoy the view. Yeah, there we go.
After we arrived, we took a walk with Leo. We found out that there was, there are multiple paths to come here, and we took one that was the most bumpy of all. So I think when we go back, we'll take a different route. During our walk, we came across a small pond. There, Leo became fully crazy because he could be in the water. That was some time ago. Whoa! I swam!
So all that's left to do for today is eat dinner, enjoy the sun and take a chill and fly the drone because it's gorgeous here. As we explore these beautiful surroundings, we realized that we could stay here for weeks. However, because of the limited water supply, this is not possible. I used to feel a bit sad leaving these places, but after some reflecting I come to realize that I should be grateful. The van forces us to get outside our comfort zone more and visit different places. It is easy to just stay where you are because it's a beautiful spot, like this one. But when doing that, you prevent yourself from finding other places like this. It has become Leo's favorite activity to explore new environments. The traveling definitely has its shortcomings for raising an Australian Shepherd, but being able to adapt to new surroundings has become one of his strong points.
So yet again a good morning.
Good morning!
A very good morning.
Leo?
We have this amazing place where we kind of did not expect anyone to even drive on this road. But yesterday night, all of a sudden, we had heard a car passing by and stopping next to our van. We were kind of like, damn, we might need to leave now. This might be the police sending us. But luckily it was just another camper. Well, not a camper, a person camping in their car for the night. First night in Portugal done. It was lovely. Today we're gonna head to another place. We don't really know where yet, but I'm sure we'll find something special.
Ja, kom. Goed, joh. Goed zo.
Zo. Heb jij ook even een binnenkant het shot afgevonden?
Nice, mooi. Next destination is a camper place with electricity. There are a couple free camper places with electricity, so we're gonna check one out in Salir. It looks very good on Park for Night, so hopefully it's not full, and otherwise we just wait a day and see if somebody leaves, because we really want to have electricity on the weekdays so that we can edit the video and also for me to work on my data science jobs. So yeah, then you know what our weekdays also look like. Let's go!
Today Leo learned a valuable lesson, and that's not to sniff into beehives. I think he got stung on his nose, and a couple of bees became stuck in our hair. So it's also a valuable lesson for us to not get so close as we did. But yeah.
I can still hear it.
Salir is amazing though. We took the last available spot on the camper place, so that's the biggest luck. And always when we arrive, it's always fully functioning, and there's also always at least one spot left over. So we have an amazing spot, and we're gonna stay here for a couple of days to sit out the rain. And then next to that, there's also amazing hiking routes going in and out of the city. So yeah, really excited for the next couple of days. Portugal, you're off to an amazing start. So this morning is a bit less very good than usual, although Leo really doesn't seem to mind. It's raining, as I told you guys before in this video. It's gonna rain for a couple of days, so we are parked at this amazing spot with all the facilities that we need to just bunker down for the next couple of days.
Oh,
Meanwhile, Leo is walking in the river.
Sit. Sit.
Bekijk het.